name is Rona, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel, welcome to my page, and thanks for being here. Today I'm so excited because I'm hoping to meet Kalinti or Adam. Once again, he's one of the famous content creators that I've met. If you missed that video, I had a whole lot of chat about it, story about it, so just check it out on my page. So we're just waiting for him to let us know where he is, though I'm really hoping that he would have the time. I know he's so busy, like based on what he's uploading and talking in his Facebook page, he's just, I don't know if he has any downtime at all. But I hope that he would have time to meet us later today.
I think tonight is my night because he's in our area. So he replied, he's in our area, we're gonna go there. We just picked up something and bought something. And then right now we're just going to where he is. And I'll give the painting to him. I'll give baby Ann, and then off I go. We are almost there. Almost there, almost there, almost there. It feels so weird. This is meant to happen.
There he is. There it is. So I decided to just do a voiceover for this part because Kalinti or Adam has a better video. So if you happen to miss this interaction or this vlog, please do visit his page. It's Kalinti by Tibon. He has a better interactions, a better view and better angle. And I wasn't expecting that he will do that because my plan was just to give it to him and to thank him and hoping that he will like it and appreciate it. But then he did an entire vlog about it, which I was just so happy about. Well, not entirely, but part of, like, half of his vlog that he uploaded yesterday was about me, about us meeting each other, and that meant so special to me. And I was trying to, on this part, I was trying to, once again, pinpoint all the mistakes that I had, all the mistakes that I said. But then later on, I've realized, and also what Adam or Kalinti have advised us, that don't be too conceited. Not everything is about you. Just enjoy the moment. Let it consume you as in a positive way. So I just let it go. So overthinking is killing us sometimes, and I realized that this is happening, and I gave him a big hug, and I was so thankful. Thanks as well for my husband for being so supportive by mine. Hi, I'm back home, and wow, what a night. As a girl who just wants to paint and hoping that people will like my artworks, it was a very big deal for me to see other people liking it and appreciating it, even introducing it to their audience. So I'm pretty much very happy about it. And before I go, I would like to inform you that on June 17th and 18th I will be joining an art fair. So if you're in Bacolod, I hope to see you there. I will be posting more details as we go closer to the date. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for your time. If you're still here, thank you for your support. And if you haven't followed my page yet or my channel, please do so. Please follow me on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok. So once again, thanks so much. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye for now.